birthday. You got a birthday. It's a birthday. It's the birthday. The birthday. If I don't tell you, you will not wash it. Come and complete this thing. See that thing out. So I put water here to forget it. You say what I say? Henry! 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 Fancy! Fancy! Yo te piso ya vas a salir de seguida a ver. Acá conmigo. Hey guys, happy Sunday to you all. So today is Sunday and the 15th of March. Hope you are going to church. So right now I'm in the kitchen. Hope you are hearing me because of this gem sound. So bear with me. So today we are preparing for church and I'm right here cooking for my kids. We are boiling yam and the stew sauce. Today no longer egg sauce. We are using tomatoes to eat it because this egg here, I don't trust it. I don't trust this egg. I'm afraid to break it again. So we just use the tomatoes for it. So keep watching and don't forget to give us a like and drop a nice comment for us. And don't forget to see your girl Mama Adachis in the building. A room of 5 living here in Port Harcourt City. Oh shit! I pray you guys hear me. I pray you guys hear me because of this gem. So keep watching. Keep watching us. It's the birthday. You got a birthday. It's the birthday. It's the birthday. The birthday. You are not very close. You want to enter there. great, come and follow that side. I've told you, if you are not very close, don't put close to my video. Try to drink cold water, it's too hot. Let me add small water. Cold one is hot. Destiny, come and carry. Give me that bread. Give me one sachet then. Run fast. That pot, who is washing it? Oh yeah. She's that water from that because they are not using it. So you wait when she finish. A mother that has plenty children, we have to add water. You understand? If it's only me or 3 people that will eat this thing, I will not add water. But we are many. So guys, here will be the end of our video. Our food is ready. It's just for me to go and serve. So see you in our next video where we are eating it. Bye.